Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that when you're just trying to using your TikTok and they're saying that TikTok is not working right now and you may facing issues when you're just opening the TikTok. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. I'm gonna connect with my Wi-Fi. So just connect with my Wi-Fi. After connect with the Wi-Fi, simply just go to the general section and you have to make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, this will just go scroll it down and just go to the VPN and device management. Simply just tap on that and just make sure that it's turn it on. So many users facing issues because they connected with some VPN, so they cannot use the TikTok during the connection of VPN. So make sure that it's not connected. After that, simply just go back and also you just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. Simply just go back and just again back and again you just search the app of TikTok. Simply just go to that app, just go to the default apps and just scroll it down and you have to make sure that just go to the mail and just take and also make sure that you just have to select the phone from that section. After that, simply just go back and simply just go to the TikTok. Go to the profile, three dots, settings, and simply just scroll it down. And you see that there's an option of free of space. Just free the space from here, and also just go to the report a problem. And after that, just like that, I'm gonna go to the settings of the TikTok. If you facing the issue that you cannot go to that interface of setting of the TikTok, and you may face the issue that when you're just trying to just tap on TikTok and they're saying the pop-up like it's not working right now. So how you can also resolve that? Simply just tap on that TikTok and just remove the app from your desktop and simply just go to the App Store and just find App Store and just simply just go to the App Store and you have to make sure that you just log in the App Store with your Apple ID. After that, simply just go to the search bar and just simply search TikTok and simply just download the TikTok from here. And when you don't remove the TikTok, and you have to make sure that you're just using the updated version of your TikTok, just like that, they showing that you just have to update the TikTok. So I'm gonna update the TikTok. So many users facing issue because they cannot update the TikTok. So you make sure that you just have to update the TikTok right now, and your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.